one of the big things that came out of our digital learning plan was sort of this idea of being untethered. And we feel like the BenQ Board has really enabled and empowered our teachers to be more untethered. They're not running back to their desk, and oftentimes their back is to the students and they're not able to see and scan the room. So this allows them to be with the students, that it allows the students to come and interact with the board. They're able to also leverage some of the accommodation features that BenQ has to meet some of those unique needs of our students. We have a large population of language learners and students with dyslexia or different learning differences. And so the teachers just love having those tools at their fingertips so that they can readily and seamlessly help support the student needs.